A heavy heart and a soul unsold. I look around, but I can't see a single spark of empathy. Searching for a trace of grace, a warm embrace in an empty space. But at the docks I'm cast away with no ship to sail into the grey. Let's run away and leave tonight. No compass left to guide our flight. Our brightest dreams have turned to dust, and all our hope corroded to rust. Let's run away from all this pain. I'm sick of playing their twisted game to those who taught us how to bow to every snake that rules us now. I share my thoughts, I bear my mind, but no one cares about what they find. Their only goal, their only drive is to cheat the system and survive. The secret key to break the chain, to feel alive and forget the pain, is to deny what they call real and trust the madness that you feel.